Hey guys, welcome to Care Chronicles, your ultimate destination for fitness and healthy living. I know starting a fitness journey can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to working out. That's why in this video, I'm sharing 5 super simple yet effective workouts that you can do right at home, no gym needed, no fancy equipment required. So, what are you waiting for? Put on your workout clothes, grab a water bottle, and let's crush these beginner-friendly workouts together. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with bodyweight squats. These are amazing for strengthening your legs and glutes. Here's how to do a perfect bodyweight squat. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. Keep your core engaged. Now, keeping your back straight and chest lifted, imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as low as you can comfortably go. Make sure your knees are in line with your toes. As you stand back up, really squeeze those glutes. Remember, quality over quantity always wins. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions to start, and as you get stronger, you can gradually increase the number of reps or even add some light weights to challenge yourself. Next up, we're hitting the upper body with some classic push-ups. Don't worry, if you're new to push-ups, we'll start with a modified version. Place your hands shoulder width apart on the floor, fingers pointing forward. Now, instead of balancing on your toes, bring your knees down to the floor, forming a straight line from your knees to your head. Lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Make sure you're engaging your core throughout the movement. As you push back up, really focus on using your chest and triceps to lift your body. Start with 8 to 10 reps, and as you get stronger, you can gradually decrease the distance between your knees and your hands until you're ready for full push-ups. Now let's move on to one of my favorite exercises, the plank hold. This isometric exercise might look simple, but trust me, it's a powerhouse for strengthening your core. To get into a plank position, start on your hands and knees. Now, step your feet back, one at a time, until your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Make sure your hands are directly below your shoulders, and your fingers are spread wide for stability. Engage your core as if you're about to be punched in the stomach. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds to start, and as you get stronger, you can gradually increase the hold time. Time to get that heart rate up with some jumping jacks. This classic cardio exercise is super simple to do but incredibly effective for burning calories and boosting your metabolism. Stand with your feet together and your arms by your side. Jump up and spread your legs wider than hip width apart, while simultaneously raising your arms overhead, clapping your hands together. Keep repeating this movement for 30 seconds to a minute for a quick and effective cardio blast. And last but not least, we're finishing strong with glute bridges. This exercise is fantastic for strengthening your glutes and hamstrings. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Engage your core and glutes as you lift your hips off the ground, pressing through your heels. Keep your body in a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the top position for a second or two, really squeezing those glutes. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions to start, and as you get stronger, you can increase the number of reps or add a resistance band around your thighs. And there you have it, 5 easy workouts for beginners you can do at home. Remember, consistency is key. Start slow, listen to your body, and progress at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Care Chronicles for more fitness tips and workout routines. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can join you on this amazing fitness journey. Let's build a healthier tomorrow together.